This house and lot for sale is located in city of San Fernando, Pampanga. 120 square meters floor area and minimum lot area of 164 square meters. Perfect for your family. Dining area with lanai. With modern design cabinet accessories. Common toilet and bath at the ground floor. With dirty kitchen. Maximize space for guest room or maid's room at the ground floor with TV rack and cabinetries under the stairs. Wood finished on the staircase. Here is the common toilet and bath at the second floor with shower enclosure. Second bedroom located at the second floor with built-in cabinets, shelves, and wall accents. Third bedroom located at second floor with cabinets, shelves, and wall accents. And this is the most favorite part of the house where you can relax after a long, tiring day. The master bedroom. With its own toilet and bath with shower enclosure, shelves, and toilet accessories. Contact me for free tripping and reservation. See you soon!